Don't click away on this one either. Today I'm going to take you around 501 McDaniel Road, and it's all about renovation and location, location, location. Hi, I'm Philip Rogers with Johnny Walker Realty, and today I'm going to take you on my listing with Shannon Van Horn around 501 McDaniel Road here in Marietta, Georgia. If you find any value in what I'm doing today, please hit the like button, please hit the subscribe button, and please ring that notification bell for more videos in the future. All right, today is a beautiful day here in Georgia. It's about 75 degrees. It is April 16th, I think, maybe. But it is a beautiful day here in Georgia. The sky is blue, not a cloud in the sky. We've got all the trees blooming, and I want to show you. All right, this beauty of a renovation. This is what this one's all about. Hey, this thing was, I saw this thing before it was even renovated. And man, maybe I'll try to find a picture and show it up to you right now. If not, this thing was in rough shape. But we had some clients of ours come in here and they renovated the entire thing, and truly renovated from top to bottom. I don't know that you could get any better in the renovations, and this is what I want to show you today. So as you walk up to this porch, right, this big front porch, they put in these brick columns here. These were all brand new. They redid the entire siding, got all brand new windows that are going in here. So this, you're going to hear me say this a lot as we go through this. Everything is brand new. Everything's new, new, new. All right, so we've got all new siding on the outside of the house, new lighting as we come into the front door, new front door. And now let's head on into the living room. All right, so as you walk in, obviously we have the stairs right up here. The hardwood floors are the natural finish as we go through. I got to take my glasses off as we get in here. Although it's never too dark to be cool, right? Have you ever heard that saying before? All right, so as we get in here, right, we're coming into the living room as we walk in on our right. And then over here to the left, we've got the primary on the main. We'll get in there in a second, but I want to show you. Right, walk in, here's the steps, and then we come into the living room right here. Now, as we come in here, man, this hardwood floor is beautiful. I love this color. It's about, the oak treads. They did it in the natural finish. They didn't put a high gloss sheen on it, which I actually really like. I really love this color. This color's really coming back into style, or coming into style. The reason why I do like it, my hardwood floors at home, they're dark and they show everything on the floors. So they put in all new fans everywhere. Got you a little remote control right here. So not only do you have, let's see if I can get this guy going. Nope. Oh, there we go. Boom. See, I can do it. But they put these in all throughout the house. They put in all new fans. They put in all new can lighting. Again, you're going to hear me say that over and over again. All new, all new, all new. Got a gas fireplace right here. All right, and then you walk into the dining room. Right, again, they left some of the molding that was up there. It looks pretty cool. But all new recessed lighting, new fixtures. Looking out of the bay window, and you see burnt hickory back there in the back. And then you come into this completely renovated kitchen. I love it. Absolutely love it. Quartz countertops, got the undermount lighting, all new cabinets, all new appliances. Right? Undermount lighting over, all new. All new backsplash. Sink. Single basin stainless steel. All new refrigerator. microwave. And again, you got your little breakfast bar right here that we can sit at and enjoy. Great for entertaining, a lot of space. I'm going to take you down there in a minute to the partially finished basement. We've got the brand new refrigerator. Again, more cabinets, right, that we're going into right here. Soft close. It's always nice, especially nice for the little kids. All right, so we got the laundry room right here. Some more cabinets, all brand new lighting in here. And I really like the choice that they went with the white cabinets and the paint. It is a white paint throughout because what we've run into a few times is that we've had people go in and like they've either not painted, which was kind of disastrous, or they painted and you have all these people walking in. It's like, oh, I don't want to come in here and paint. So it's white. It's a blank canvas. You can keep it and it looks great. And if you decide to paint it some whatever is new now, the grayish, somewhere around there, you can go and do that. I want to take you out here to the back porch. So gonna be honest with you, because I want to establish some trust as we do this. Really, the only negative feedback that we're getting about this house is not the location. The location's great. It's not the house itself. The house is great. It's all new renovation. And really the only negative feedback that we're getting is that people don't like the traffic of burnt hickory back here, right? So understandable, I get it. But this house is in excellent shape. It has a brand new roof. They painted the gutters, so the gutters are original, but the new windows, new siding, but it is, right? It's kind of noisy back here. But what we've encouraged everybody and what we need to understand is that some of this stuff's going to grow in and you're going to have some privacy back here. What you can do is get a row of Leland cypress, and they grow pretty quickly here in Georgia, and throw in a row right there on the bank or on a berm. But it's kind of busy. It's quite busy, but again, it's going to retain its value because of where it is. This location is top notch here in Marietta. So really, that's the only feedback or negative feedback that we're getting about this thing. So let me take you back in here into the house. Sorry about that. Sorry about the camera tilt. All right, let's go down here first, and then I'll take you down to the... All right, so I would imagine that you would love to put one of your teenagers down here, and I'm pretty sure that they would love it also. So here is one of 4 bedrooms down here in the half-finished basement, right? It's got this bonus room right here coming off the garage. I'll show you that in a minute. But you've got this decent size, probably a 12 foot by 12 foot or so size room. Got a nice little closet in here, and then a full bath down here in this bedroom, right? So again, you have some in-laws you want to put down here, put them down here in the basement. If you've got a teenager or a college kid or a kid that just graduated college, which should be coming up fairly soon, put them down here in the basement, right? So, and it's got their own privacy. They can walk straight in through this door right here. Show you quickly. Drive under garage. You're in, 2-car garage. Drive under garage right here. It's unfinished. Got all new HVAC systems, all new, whole new system. Plumbing's new. Now the drain is not new, but you have all the brand new plumbing that's in there, but the drain system is not. But you got a whole new HVAC, furnace, everything like that. A lot of the wiring, right? They redid the wiring in here also. So, I mean, when I mean like it's new, it's new. Like it's got everything in here, all the components are new. And look, you get a extra refrigerator. Might call that the beer fridge. All right, so let's head back upstairs. Going up. We have the half bath right here. Half bath. So there's 3.5. I don't think I've said that yet, right? 4 bedrooms, 3.5 bath, and now I'm in the primary. My bad. Should have told you that a long time ago. All right, primary looks out over the front porch, and you got a view out the back here too. So it's kind of got a little built-in bookshelf. Again, brand new lighting, brand new fan, and this bathroom is awesome. Double vanity with the gray cabinets. You got a bunch of cabinetry right here, and look, as you look in, got some outlets. Right, so charge your beard trimmer or something like that, and instead of having it on the counter like somebody I may know. All brand new lighting, mirrors. Got an awesome walk-in closet right here, very spacious. All new system in there, and then this massive, massive shower. Check it out. Yeah, it's beautiful. Beautiful tile. Very nice. I like it. I'd use it for sure. All right, but you might want to put some window treatment up there so they don't see you. Maybe you want them to. I don't know when you step out. All right, so we'll take it upstairs. Now that we've been down here to the primary, we'll go upstairs and we'll catch the next 2 bedrooms. Up. And on your right, this is all brand new carpet, brand new lighting, brand new fans. I told you I was gonna say brand new a lot. All right, so it looks great. Fresh paint job. The carpet's brand new. Looks great. Very sizable closet. Right, more than what most may need. Little dormer here that's looking out over the front porch. See the big hickory tree. See our sign way down there. Again, that's a good segue to say, hey, give me a call, right? Call me at this number right here. Or you can contact my partner, Shannon Van Horn, at this number right here. We're the people that's going to answer the phone. All right, like I said, that's a great segue for me to tell you. It's like, hey, give us a call. You can call me at this number right here. Or you can call my partner, Shannon Van Horn, here. Right? And we want you to call us. We want you to talk to you about these things. If this isn't the house for you, we've got other houses. There's a lot of them here in Marietta that you want to be in. So give us a shout. Again, I challenge you to do it. Not too many people's done it so far, but let's check out this bathroom. All right, now we've got this bathroom with a navy countertop, double vanity, all new lighting, new mirrors, new shower with the new tile. Now the commode actually used to be right here. There used to be this tiny little opening that went out to this next dormer. And it was awesome. They cut off this corner, right? Put the commode here. I'm having some technical difficulties right now. I just wanted to show you the toilet. All right, it's right here. They cut off this little wall, put the toilet back there. It used to be right there. It was an awesome use of space, great use of space. And it was very, very creative on the seller's part who did that. So next is the next bedroom up here, pretty much a carbon copy of the other one, right? All new fans, all new lighting, all new. And then this one, you kind of get a look out. Only difference out into the backyard, out to Marietta's Golden Corridor, burnt hickory. And just kind of along those lines, I take you back downstairs, I go out and I wrap this thing up, right? What is so great about this location is that Kennesaw Mountain National Battlefield is maybe to the first parking lot or so, it is maybe a mile down Burnt Hickory down this way, right down. Let me show you. I'll get out of here because you can't see me pointing. All right, but down Burnt Hickory this way, you have Kennesaw Mountain National Battlefield. Now, if you've never been to Kennesaw Mountain National Battlefield, I could give you a whole history lesson about it. It was on Sherman's march to Atlanta. It was a big they called it the Gibraltar of Georgia. Look that up. It's a big battlefield. is a pretty big battle. It was a key strategic location, you know, with Sherman on his way down here, the railroad lines, everything like that on the way to Atlanta. But it has over 20 something miles of hiking trails. It's got a visitor center, it's got a museum, it's got all kinds of activities. Holy cow, I was on a roll. I was telling you about how close Kennesaw Mountain was. I was giving you a little bit of history. Told you there was 20 something miles of hiking. There's a visitor center. I even called it the Georgia, or the Gibraltar of Georgia. Man, I was on a roll, and this camera keeps getting hot. This stuff's authentic. I don't know why, but this video is authentic. Man, I just wanted to show you the house. I wanted to show you another one of our great listings. I wanted you to get to know me so that hopefully when you move to Marietta, you give me a call, or you give my partner Shannon Van Horn a call also. But this is our beautiful house on 501 McDaniel Road here in Marietta, Georgia. It's located in the Kennesaw Mountain High School District. Great school district. It's in an unbelievable location. Like I said, at Kennesaw Mountain, you got to go over there if you love exercising, you love running, you love hiking, you love history. It's got it all for you. They shoot off cannons over there. It's really cool. It's a great family-friendly just place to go, place to take your kids. Go out there. Actually, if you tell me, let me know. I have a scavenger hunt that you and your family can have. It's a scavenger hunt. It's got all these locations all over the mountain. I can send it to you. Courtesy of one of my friends that gave it to me a while back. It's super fun. It's got all these locations all over the mountain you got to go find with your family. So email me or drop a line below, write something in the description, and I'll send you the scavenger hunt. So after that, we've got the shopping at West Cobb down here. We've got the West Cobb Avenues. We've got Marietta Square, not too far down the road, maybe 2 miles down the road, Marietta Square. So you're not very far from anything, but you're kind of out here in West Cobb. And you know, you're just in an excellent location, and this house is renovated. It's in great shape. And if you're interested in come seeing it, let me know. I'm Philip Rogers with Johnny Walker Realty. Thank you for sticking around. Thank you for watching. Again, like, subscribe, ring the notification bell. This is Living in Marietta.